What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, link in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we're just letting you know that YouTube is currently censoring our content from what we can tell. Basically our reach to new viewers is officially around 80% lower than what it was 1 month ago, so it really helps if you hit the like button. It just pushes the content out to more people. And we've just hit 10k subscribers, so thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed. We really appreciate all of you so much. If you want to make sure to stay up to date with all the videos, make sure to check back on the channel every day, as we do post 4 videos every single day. Or you can join the free Telegram in the description and you can get updates as every video is posted there as well. So please make sure to hit the like. That's the main thing you can do to help us out in this time of uncertainty. We're not sure what's going on right now with YouTube, but we are endeavoring to figure out exactly what's happening. YouTube is saying nothing is wrong, but it's quite clear that most of our subscribers don't even see our videos, even if they have notifications turned on. So with that all being said, thank you so much for your support. Let's get into the video here, just taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action. So as you can see, it does look as though we had a little bounce, a reasonable little bounce in the past few days for Polygon. We did say that the big reversal is likely to come fairly soon, as we can quite clearly see here. Polygon is getting very oversold right now. As you can see, it's actually way more oversold than it was when we had the initial crash on the... Well, we had the initial crash on the 19th of May here where we came down a little bit, but Polygon actually held quite well. But then obviously with altcoins, we had the secondary crash as well, where we came down here on the 23rd, is this the 23rd? On the 23rd of May here, we came all the way down to around 75 cents, where we bounced off this previous swing low in this area of support here. We kind of found a good area of support here and wicked all the way back up, and came all the way back up in the next few days, all the way back up to around 240, which was absolutely incredible. One of the biggest V-shaped recoveries that I've ever seen, literally just like this. But then obviously since then, we have been rolling over because Bitcoin's been rolling over as well. And because Bitcoin's going sideways, that means that altcoins are bleeding. And obviously you can see the evidence of that with Polygon. Currently trading at around 110 at the time of recording this video. But as you can see, which is what we were talking about here, we're actually way more oversold than we were when we dumped here. We did have this big correction to the downside here, but we did actually come back up. But now it looks as though we are getting very oversold, much more oversold than this initial dump here. And it does look as though we are bouncing in and around this area here, basically in between this $1 level and this $1.70 level, I would say. That's pretty strong support, as you can see every time we've tapped into this buy zone here. If I can actually draw a straight line. As you can see every time we've tapped into this zone here in the past few weeks, we have actually bounced out of this zone very quickly and very hard. So it does look as though underneath the dollar there is a strong amount of buying pressure for Polygon. Obviously on this day here we did get this big move to the downside, but by the time the day was over we were actually back up well up above $1 to $1.07 here. We've actually come back down and tapped into this zone again twice here, but it does look as though we have actually bounced, and we may have formed a bullish divergence here. We're seeing bullish divergences all over the place recently. As you can see, our price action has been decreasing here, but it does look as though our RSI is starting to bottom out or even start to move to the upside. And obviously this means that even though the price action has been going down, the momentum of the price action to the downside has been decreasing. So a reversal is starting to become very likely in our opinion, as we can see. So in our opinion, I mean, lots of people calling for a bear market right now, but we'd just like to say, in our opinion, this is absolutely complete nonsense from what we can tell. As you can see, we haven't even broke down below the 20 on the weekly time frame for Polygon, let alone the 55. So until we see ourselves breaking down below the 20 and testing the 55, we're not the least bit concerned about a bear market. Obviously, no one likes to see their favorite cryptos drop from 270 here all the way down to 75 cents initially. But as you can see, it's pretty obvious that we're making a decent recovery. I mean, we're still 60% down from the all-time high, but I mean, we could come all the way down here to like 50 cents and I still wouldn't be worried, because we'd just be back testing previous support before making another run up like this. So not too concerned in our opinion about a bear market. A lot of people are calling for it, but we just don't see the evidence for it right now, especially on Polygon's chart. So if we just take a look at the hourly here so we can see what's going on. We can see quite clearly that we're tapping into this oversold region a lot recently. So there's a lot of bearishness in the market. As you can see, we've not really tapped into this overbought region very much, maybe like 1, 2, 3 or 4 times here, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could say 9, maybe even a lot more times if you count all the little times that we've tapped into this really oversold territory. So it's pretty clear there's a lot of bearishness in the market right now. As you could see before, we had a lot of overbought areas here, whereas now we've only got not very many, and we've actually flipped from overbought to oversold. As you can see, not many oversold areas in this region where we were running up, but now we are looking very oversold in the market in general, especially on this hourly time frame. We are looking very bearish. But from what we can tell with Bitcoin now having a nice little pump overnight, basically back up to around 34, 35k, we've obviously got a nice little relief rally for Polygon as well. So as you can see, we did bottom out here around this $1 level. I'll just drag this down so it's a bit more specific. So this is around our $1 level here that we did say anywhere below $1 we do think is very strong support for Polygon. And as you can see, we are starting to get a nice little recovery. We could actually say that this is potentially a W bottom here. And it does look as though Polygon is actually making its way to the upside now. So obviously, if this is the case, our price target would be the top of this W to begin with, which is around this 120 level, considering that Bitcoin's looking quite bullish today. And if that's the case, we probably will see Polygon continue to move in the short term. So our short-term price prediction, obviously anything can happen, but we are expecting Polygon to recover sooner rather than later, considering how oversold we are in the market in general. Bitcoin is extremely oversold right now, and it does look as though it's forming a huge bullish divergence. So in our opinion, it only seems like a matter of time before we start breaking through some of those resistances, especially considering that it looks as though potentially the Wyckoff pattern that everyone's been talking about is actually playing out to perfection, at least so far from what we've seen. And we've actually weathered the storm for the weekly, monthly and quarterly close for futures on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So from what we can tell, it seems like we've weathered a lot of the bearish action recently, and we have actually flipped bullish here on our EMAs as well for Polygon. So in our opinion, things looking pretty good. As you can see, plenty of bullish divergences all over the place. There's a bullish divergence here. As you can see, the price action coming down, but the RSI going up. This tends to mean a reversal's coming, and obviously, as you can see, we did get a nice little reversal here. But we are predicting that Polygon's probably going to continue to go up if Bitcoin's going up. Obviously, Bitcoin's leading the market right now. But in the long term, we do think Polygon is going to do extremely well. As you can see on our 4-hourly chart here, the last time we were this oversold was in December. And we haven't been at this oversold in a while. And obviously, every single time that we get this oversold, there's usually a big reversal. I mean, you could technically count this entire move here as a big reversal, I suppose. But as you can see, pretty much every time we've been oversold, it's pretty abundantly clear that we do get a nice reversal. So as we've been saying, more oversold than when we went to 75 cents. So clearly something is about to break. In our opinion, it doesn't seem likely that this is sustainable whatsoever, and there will be some equilibrium coming into the market very soon. And we do think in the long term, as we've been saying, Polygon is probably going to do extremely well in our opinion. By our estimation, in the next year or so, we can imagine Polygon probably being $10 plus as a price target, which is around a 10x from the current price, considering what it's offering and how well its ecosystem is getting adopted. And also with all the smart contract stuff coming out recently, we do think Polygon's going to pump as a result of all that complementary competition as well. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each, but don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.